Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showcasing how to get your laser cutter set up software wise. The first thing that we're going to have to do is download the software we're going to use to cut the material with, which is lightburnsoftware.com. Once you go over to lightburnsoftware.com, you're going to hit the download trial in the red button here. You're going to click it and you're going to scroll down to see which operating system you need to use. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit. And once the download is finished, you're going to open up the Lightburn V1 7.0. That's the newest update or the version it has right now. And open that up. And you're going to allow it to make changes on your device. And then you are going to hit the program files and click next, next, next. And you're going to ensure that all of these stuff is what you want it to be. It's whatever you want for your computer, for your desktop icons, whatever you really want. You're going to hit install, and it's going to extract all the files and then install. You're going to click finish once it's all done to exit setup. You don't need to do any of these top three things, and just hit launch Lightburn once it's finished. Once you have Lightburn here, you have your free trial. You're going to activate it. You're going to hit OK, and then you are going to hit Devices, and you're going to hit Find My Laser. Ensure your laser is connected via USB, and then you're going to hit Next. And it's going to scan for the connected devices in the USB that you have, and you're going to ensure that you click the serial USB. You're going to hit Add the device, and you're going to change it to whatever you really want it to. We're going to have a Swyft laser here. And then you're going to set the origin laser to the front right. And then I have already done it once, so I'm going to do one of these. And it'll automatically set it up for you here, this entire grid pattern. And if you ever have another device, you can hit device and do the same thing here again. Once you do that, you're going to head over to laser tools, and you're going to hit a material test. The reason you want to do a material test is because every single material is different. For example, if you have 0.25 thick wood, it will take more power to cut through than a 0.125 inch thick wood. And the reason that you'd want to run each of these for each type of wood, or like whatever material you need, is because you want the laser cutter to be calibrated and focused at whatever point you want to do. Once you have that, you're going to hit preview, and then it'll show you what it will look like. And as you can see, it'll have a speed over millimeters per second and then a power percentage. Once you see, it'll cut out all of these squares, and then the ones that are perfectly cut out well is what you are going to choose for your laser cutter. Once you have that done, you're going to hit play to run the simulation. So following the material test, we're able to see that here, we're going to look for the middle spot to see where you want to cut it. And you can see that it has 10 here and 50 right here. So we're going to want to have something in between the 50 and 60 to where we want to cut it. So we have our laser cutter set to 1050, and that's what works well for us. But for different materials and for every stuff you want, you're going to have to rerun this material test and run it for every material.